College Team Model Search for 2012. Here they are. Oh, yeah, their hero. He's the racer. Mr. Olive Street. Welcome. Wave naman tayo.
Ang mga future hero magagawa. Pwede rin sila mag-check.
Walang ano, tulad na bigyan ng very much na pangalan. Anyway, let me ask, what is this competition all about? What is your name, by the way?
I'm Abigail from Manila.
Abigail. Yes. What is this all about?
Yes, this is a nationwide search that we service Odyssey Campus Model Search. And this is not an ordinary project, but a competition of different campuses and universities nationwide.
Wow, so open ito sa mga students, di ba? Di ba?
I have a question. Do you feel any pressure there? And that's
So, what are we going to do?
It's a win.
This will be on January 28, 2018,
Abigail.
Saturday at Inares Sports Arena, Pasig City, Cavite.
Sa 28 yan, who knows? I might be hosting the pageant, di ba? Sino mo na?
Ano yung ring niya ngayon? Ang galing ng mga nararating na mga nanggaling dito.
Kaya nga. At sino mo naman ang mga contestants natin, di ba? Ito na ba ang lahat ng contestants mo? Meron pa ang darating.
Meron po may mga candidates.
Ayan. So again,
Oh my
ito
God.
competition ito saan gagawin?
At Inares Sports Arena, Boulevard, Pasig City.
Ayan, magkakaroon ngayon, February 28. Before that, I think we will still have some of the candidates in our future shows before we have pageant na itself.
Ba yan?
Pero alam niyo, ang Olympic ay gamit din natin
yun,
dito.
or baka makakapit
Kaya strong
yan.
supporter na nag-aalala ko, Tessa, Foster. So, ang inyong boss, thank you very much all these years for Pulitzer and Bolatruga. Alam niyo, supportado namin kayo. Dahil sa Olympic, meron tayong tagline, di ba? Who would like to say our tagline? Sabay-sabay na tayo. Alright?